Hello, everybody. So, what are we doing today? Today, we're going to make some seed starting mix because I've got onion seeds that need to be planted. I need to get these things ready. So, I'm going to use my concrete mixer to do the mixing because I need a lot of it. The materials we're going to use: compost, topsoil, cocoa coir, perlite, and azomite. It's going to be a kind of a one third, one third, one third thing. The topsoil, and I'll be using one third topsoil or one third compost. So let's get a couple of shovelfuls of that. 2 shovelfuls of compost. 2 shovelfuls of topsoil. 1, 2 shovelfuls of cocoa coir. And we mix it up. That's loud. So there it is, tumbling around in the mixer. We're going to let that go for a while. All right, we're going to throw in some perlite. Stop it to see how it did. Looking pretty good in there. We're going to throw in some more perlite. Mix that up. This is vermiculite. I'm going to add that in. The vermiculite will hold on to moisture and nutrients. Let's get that going. Throw in some more perlite because I didn't see quite as much in the mix as I wanted to. Throw in just a touch more vermiculite. You don't want to overdo it with this stuff. You could end up with dampening off problems with your seedlings once they sprout. All right, that should about do it. What we've got here is a real good seed starting mix that be fine for just about anything. Now this is an outdoor seed starting mix because I'm going to be starting my seeds outdoors over in my hoop house that I ventilated yesterday. Looks pretty good. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fill up some 4-inch pots for my onion seeds. Just in case you're wondering, here's about 90 little 4-inch pots that I filled up from that single load in the mixer. So anyway, that's that. And like I said, please subscribe and see you later.